Did you know there's one owl that completely breaks every owl rule? Meet the burrowing owl, the rebel of the bird world. First, forget tree nests. These owls live underground in tunnels up to 8 feet long. They either dig these burrows themselves or steal them from prairie dogs and ground squirrels. Talk about home invasion. When threatened, they don't hoot. Instead, they perfectly copy the sound of an angry rattlesnake. Predators hear that terrifying rattle and run away fast, never knowing they just got tricked by a bird. Third, while other owls hunt at night, burrowing owls break the rules and hunt during the day. They use their super long legs to chase bugs and small animals across the ground like tiny roadrunners. Here's where it gets weird. They collect animal poop and spread it around their burrow entrance. Why? It attracts beetles and insects for easy snacks. Most amazing of all, entire families live together in underground communities. Multiple generations share the same tunnel system, creating a secret subterranean owl village beneath our feet.